OMG. Oh my God. Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Pandy, Pandy's Hair Candy and more, coming through with a little bit of news you could use. For those of you who are chat family with me, y'all already know what it gives. I love my International Delight Creamers. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you find that you enjoy the vibes here, definitely blow dry on the like button for me. Hit that subscribe and that notification bell so that you can be kept in the loop of each time the new content is added. So in today's video, y'all, in case you have not been paying attention to the news, there is a recall on the popular International Delight Creamer brand. Thankfully, these two flavors were not included in the recall. However, I am going to share in this video the code that they listed in the recall and where you can find it on your bottles if you have it in your refrigerator. So if you're interested in this type of content, definitely stick around so that we can stay safe. Grab yourself a snack and a beverage and let's get into some things. Hey guys, Pandy here, Pandy's Hair Candy and more. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. If you are already chat family with me, you already know what it gives. Welcome back to the channel. I am popping in today with a little bit of news you can use, and you can already guess based on the thumbnail that yes, I am here to give you some information about the popular coffee creamer recently recalled in more than 30 states after reports of illness and spoilage. So again, I am here today because within the last few hours, it was recently discovered that some of the flavors of the International Delight Coffee Creamer brand are being recalled after reports of illness and spoilage. So guys, I wanted us to be mindful and vigilant to take action right away, because if you're anything like me, honey, those of you who know, who have been rocking with me for a long time, and a lot of my grocery hauls, you always see I love my International Delight Creamers. I am particularly fond of their Southern Butter Pecan, their French Vanilla, and their Sweet and Salty brand. But thankfully, those flavors aren't the flavors that were listed in this recall. However, I still recommend checking the UPC code that they provide, which I'm going to be sharing in this video. So if you enjoy this type of content, it's all about raising awareness, uplifting people, motivating and encouraging, then definitely stick around. Now, without further ado, let's get into this video, right? So, the Food and Drug Administration is removing more than 75,000 bottles of the International Delight Coffee Creamer brand from store shelves. Now, at this time, guys, this is a voluntary recall, and it applies to two specific flavors. Those two flavors happen to be hazelnut and the Cinnabon Classic Cinnamon Roll. Consumers are being advised to immediately throw these creamers away if you have them. Again, the FDA has removed, or is in the process of removing, 75,000 bottles of the International Delight Coffee Creamer from store shelves. Now, the FDA has stated that the International Delight's parent company initiated the recall after receiving complaints of spoilage and illness. And at this moment, it's unclear of how many exactly people became sick. That part was not listed. Now, the creamers were shipped to more than 30 states, guys. And listen for your state. These 30 states include Alabama, Arkansas, Colorado, Connecticut, Florida, Georgia, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Louisiana, Maryland, Maine, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, Mississippi, North Carolina, Nebraska, New Hampshire, New Jersey, New Mexico, New York, Ohio, Oklahoma, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, which is where I'm at, y'all, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, Wisconsin, and Wyoming. The recalled hazelnut creamer comes in the 32 fluid ounce bottle, and here is the UPC code that will be listed on the bottle that you need to look for. The UPC code is 0 space 41271 space 02565 space 2. Now I'm going to read it one more time for you without the spaces. The UPC code on the 32 fluid ounce bottle of hazelnut creamer is 04127102565 2. It has a best by date of July 2nd. Please be on the lookout for that. Now, the recalled Cinnabon Classic Cinnamon Roll Creamer, also in the 32 fluid ounce bottle, has a UPC code on it of 0 space 41271 space 01993 space 3. I'm going to read that one more time without the spaces because I believe this is on the barcode portion of the bottle, guys. That number is 04127101993. It has a best use by date of July 3rd. Guys, again, this video is not here to bash the International Delight Creamer brand. As I said, I love this creamer. This video is all about raising awareness, keeping ourselves safe, being vigilant, being mindful of the foods and beverages that we ingest often on a daily basis. We don't want to become sick. We don't want to, unknowingly harm ourselves because we're trying to have our morning cup of coffee. So please, I am urging you, in the event that you have not seen this on the news, to take a look in your refrigerator and double check your coffee creamers. Also, guys, sharing is caring, so please share this video for me on your social media platforms. You can share it on your community tabs. You can share it on your Facebook, on your TikTok, wherever it is that you share social media posts. Bring about awareness. Let your friends, family members, loved ones know to double check their coffee creamers if they enjoy the International Delight Creamers as much as I do. Again, this is Pandy, guys, of Pandy's Hair Candy and More. That was it. That's all. I just saw the headlines this morning as I was going through the morning news, and I said, wow, I just literally had my cup of coffee. So I'm sure it's bright and early on a Sunday morning. You're probably having your cup of coffee as well as many others. So again, we want to be safe. We want to bring about awareness. So guys, please share the video. If you enjoy this type of uplifting content, please subscribe to the channel. It is free 99. It doesn't cost you anything to support. All right. Double tap the notification bell so that you can be kept in the loop of each time that new videos are added. Until the next time, guys, continue to stay safe, continue to stay encouraged, and I will see you all in the next video. Have a blessed day. Thanks for watching.